10 new words. Now, the most important thing is not to learn only the words, but to learn how to use them. Let's begin. I will start with day. Day in Swahili is siku. 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 That's the first word. The second word will be describing how many or how much. How many or how much in Swahili is simply one word, which is ngapi. 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 Now, how can we use this? For example, if you want to say how many days, you can say siku ngapi. Siku ngapi. If you want to answer that as 3 days, siku tatu. Siku tatu. We have already seen this on the numbers. Tatu is 3. You can learn the numbers on the link above. Go to the next one, which is week. Week in Swahili is wiki. 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 And there is another way of saying this, which is juma. 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 If you want to say 3 weeks, you can say wiki tatu. Wiki tatu. Wiki tatu. The next one, every day. Every day in Swahili is kila siku. Kila siku. Kila siku. The same way, if you want to say every week, you can say kila wiki. Kila wiki. Kila wiki. To say one day, it's simply siku moja. Siku moja. Siku moja. The same way, if you want to say someday, it is also siku moja. Siku moja. Siku moja. Now, I want to say holiday. Holiday is likizo. 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 Okay. To say when is the holiday? In Swahili, we can say likizo ipo lini. Likizo ipo lini. Likizo ipo lini. But also you can shorten it and just ask likizo lini. Likizo lini. Likizo lini. Here is the new word lini, which means when. And we are going to see also Monday. Monday is Jumatatu. We have already covered days of the week, so you can check out if you want to see. Month in Swahili is mwezi. 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 So actually, mwezi also have another meaning, which is moon. So moon is also mwezi. Another thing is year. Year is mwaka. 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 I will read again the words that we have seen today. Siku. 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 Ngapi. 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 Tatu. 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 Wiki. 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 Juma. 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 Moja. 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 Likizo. 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 Jumatatu. 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 Lini. 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 Mwezi. 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 mwaka, mwaka, mwaka. Okay, so that's it for today. I will see you next time. Bye bye. Kwaheri.